In the next few sections, we'll be diving into different built-in data types. Variables, as we've already seen, allow us to store information that can then be referenced and used elsewhere in our code. Now, the type of data that we can store in variables can be different, and each data type can perform different operations. So we'll be covering numbers, strings, and booleans, which are common data types you may have worked with in other programming languages. We'll be looking at sequence types, so things like lists and tuples. We'll be looking at mapping types like dictionaries and set types, which are simply known as set or frozen set, all of which will be explained in the respective sections. Data types are so fundamental when learning a language that it's so important to gain a strong understanding right from the start. You may not be producing a facial recognition app by simply using these data types, but they will form part of every program you write, and you'll start to use them without even thinking about it. So try to grasp the concept of each data type, as they will come in very useful in future projects.